I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Camry screen. Experiencing a frozen or unresponsive display can be frustrating, but often a quick reset can resolve these issues. Before diving into specific reset methods, it is important to perform a few initial checks. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is fully on. Also, take a moment to clean your touchscreen, as dirt or smudges can sometimes interfere with its sensitivity. Finally, a simple power cycle of your vehicle can often fix minor glitches. The quickest and easiest way to perform a soft reset on your Camry's screen is by using the power button. Simply locate the power or volume knob on your infotainment system. Then, press and hold this button for approximately 10 to 20 seconds. You will see the screen go blank, and then the Toyota logo should reappear, indicating a successful reboot. This method is great for minor software glitches, and typically does not erase any of your saved settings or personal data. For more persistent issues, a factory reset through the settings menu can be very effective. Start by tapping the home screen on your display, then select the settings gear icon. From there, scroll down and find the info and security option, then tap on it. Within this menu, you will see System Reset. Select this option and confirm that you wish to reset all personal data and settings. This process will return your system to its original factory state. If the previous methods do not resolve your screen issues, a hard reset by disconnecting the battery might be necessary. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off. Then, open the hood and carefully disconnect the negative terminal from your car's battery. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before securely reconnecting it. This can clear deeper electrical glitches. If problems continue, it is best to consult your owner's manual or a certified Toyota technician for further diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.